the beat. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I still the late night show. Okay, if not, they enjoy every so far. Just can go Twitter at W Late Night Show. Make una reach there, drop your comments and every other thing. As a matter be like this now, my guy, my G, another comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Acapella, don't already there inside the building. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, make una help me welcome him into the studio. Ladies and gentlemen, Acapella. Hey, say you proud anyhow. Say you proud anyhow. Say you proud anyhow. Hey, oh yeah, you. Oh boy, see Beleo. Hey, see Beleo. Even I can't say. Waiting on all these boys, all these guys. Waiting on the chop.
No, sometimes all these Belena follow come.
Now, if you look up, how say follow up?
You know, say Nigeria sometimes you get like you as you lean now.
Yes.
When the tell person say the Lord is good, you go fair good thinker.
Oh, if I tell person the Lord is good,
you go fair
look my body say,
the Lord good for your body.
But if you can't talk
once I say the Lord is, he gonna say no, he's better. Yeah, that's not.
Acapella.
Yes,
you are. They know you for your one-liner. One-liner, pum. How do they think your jokes and your comedy every pum?
Okay, originally, like person like me, I know they comfortable as a comedian so at this stage for like 30 seconds. People never laugh. Okay. Because person like me, they easily lose connect.
Okay.
Like somebody they do something where they're interesting. If I wait for you the next 60 seconds and you never
and the humor never enter,
I don't lose connect. So me I use myself. They assume saying as so every other person be.
Okay. So why you go there for stage now? You go lose yourself as viewer too.
Yes. Do you understand? So the risk of saying, man, if you go to talk story, what if you can't lose their attention along the line? When you can't hit the punchline, they don't go somewhere else. So even when I want to talk story,
yes,
I like put in between punchlines till I get to the
final destination.
In the case of where no story, man just they drop the one line and made it go.
Just they go. Because that thing, they work for you, finish.
Yes.
Today now, again, one thing we'll talk on top of the cocoa of the day. Will be our gist day period.
Okay.
And one guy will wake up just like money of like 200 million for inside your account. If you did that kind of position, what you go do? Say you just wake up, just pum 200 mils for your account. How you go take tackle the matter?
Now. Matter. What did they tackle?
Okay.
So you see 200 million they tackle.
So
now you be defender.
When you see one-liner.
When you see 200 million, now to call pastor do Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
They say. How go to the blessed person?
So you go see do this for you go see go pay tithe.
Hey now wow, Obolo, you did now.
Yes.
See, whether na God put out no be God, just tell God thank you. Say na him.
In all things,
give God thanks.
Give thanks. In all things,
you don't
give
think
thanks.
how you thank God, even if no be put, I go just tell Jesus, leave. I already thank us.
Even if no be put out there.
Yes, now.
Just on behalf of the whole heavenly.
See. But just this way, just maybe Joko. Okay. I know when you say I come out, go see 200 million. If I not print poster next week.
Print poster for waiting.
I never really know, but I go print.
For politics and for comedy show.
You know, say we would print past politicians. You know, they are now 4 years after like walk up.
Yes.
Our own every time.
Every time. Yes.
Every time.
Acapella. When you want marry?
On Saturday.
No, but seriously, we these single men like me now very soon. But you, when?
Okay, why you can't say like you now very soon? Can't say but me very soon
because we know.
See, on a phone.
But seriously, my brother.
Okay, know what to go happen? I will soon marry. The issue, not be say you know at the time before you first say when I just gather money.
Yeah.
Until along the line, the money don't come gather. You gotta discover say no be money again.
No be money be the issue.
You get other things where they look out for. You understand? And that's what they look out for. Don't be saying a very big thing. Don't be saying a very big thing. But sometimes you don't meet too many people. Just that small 2 or 3 things. No day. So like me, I like people get very high sense of humor.
First.
No. The first criteria I must find.
You must find you.
And the fathers where they say no be by fine.
Beauty is not
forget it.
She must find.
They say na character matter. They still get fine girls. We get fine character. Now that one I want.
Make them all be like say you don't want one of the good things.
You don't understand.
Because the two are the full package.
Let me say you go wake up for morning. You don't know what the hinder prayer. You dey pray to God. You don't know whether na the you understand whether the demon wey they buy na they follow the same man.
Why everybody get mind say demons are ugly?
They were fine before.
No, but what make them ugly?
I don't know, but anything way bad, ugly.
These days, some good things they come, some bad things they come in very, very wonderful package.
Yes, they come in very wonderful package, but when you open them, you can't see the realness. So that wonderful package na the advert.
Now be the advert, exactly.
You understand?
Comedy goes to church now. Most of comedy goes to church because now you don't carry your comedy things to church. Now comedy goes to church. Say now you decide to brand yourself as gospel comedian, or just say you stick with your roots as your foundation for the religious things.
Okay, me I don't even know what I need to like gospel comedian did. Because I feel agree say comedians who they do ethical jokes, they like pure clean jokes.
Yes.
Will be the category we will find ourselves. Okay. But I'm not sure say anything like because for us comedy in a profession. Okay. Like doctor, like police, no gospel doctor, no gospel police, no gospel. But there are doctors who know they put hand for bad thing. That's how our own comedy be. Okay, but the reason why I carry comedy go back to church, be saying that there I start from. Okay. And then if you check a whole lot of us will be entertainers now, a whole lot of the top celebrities. Check most of our interviews. All of us start from church. True. But many people know. Almost 99% of us start from church. Then you call this our interview because say we started from the bottom, now we're here. So the next is at the church be the bottom. Let me the bottom. in natural sense, so that's true. In natural sense. So, but we need to correct them because now God be the giver of every talent. We don't perform for all the major shows for Nigeria, the top shows, AY Live and all of them. So the where else one carry them go, we go look different. We'll bring and come from where we start. Now make me carry them. Go, that's what I call and comedy goes to. Now actually a church tour, we go to different churches to give God back what He give us. Well, and then the blessing they come from last because man, it's a bit how far. When you go do your own.
My own?
Yes.
Very, very soon.
Because you say you get foundation for church.
No, of course.
Because DJ goes to church. DJ goes to church.
Why you going to put eye for me?
I'll go put eye for you that because you are nearing the world. So you have to go back to church. Show you. Don't joke with us. But Acapella, you know, because now it makes sense. What you talk just now, it make enough sense because, man, at the end of the day, but you also do, not say professional music, but they sing sometimes for your jeans. I don't think the voice did there. So some of us, they will plenty, we get all those voice things. You know, when they're singing, yeah.
I go back up.
Back me up. Or make you sing, make I back up. Make you sing, make I back up. I sing something, make I back up.
The spirit never come.
Okay, make I start the spirit now. Make I go ginger the spirit.
Oh, yeah, now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do we talk?
That's what you don't listen to Post full album. Only the first two lines you go here. Now only you I know, even if the world no say so. Then I go let them know. For your mind now, the rest you go. What be that?
What do they talk?
But at the end of the day, you know go sing anything. You can't tell us. Come on, can you wave your hands?
And they command us for touching there. And even some people they sing all those worship leaders there. You know, you're at that church. Somebody, you see people they raise hand. What are you saying? Singing. Say something. Let us hear you. What's struggle with you?
Most of them they'll just introduce the song. You are far. They go quiet. Now we go cut the sing.
It's not like whiskey there. They'll try. It's easy. Leave her for everybody. They'll pay more. But you go just for your that first line. People come they sing.
You know say Emma go do that thing for worry. You know say that in song chairman. You get one song
chairman, yes.
So Emma come and call they do the chairman. As he raise the track, chairman. When he drop the first line, he face the mic.
Face the crowd.
They no answer. Now I got tell DJ may change the track. Now one boy answer. What will answer you so you no change track? They call they give us shaman. I think we quiet now, he don't sing track too.
But people they verse for this country. People they don't happy. All the worry boys, nothing. They're not happy at all. Acapella, what do they look forward to now from you? Aside from comedy goes to church, what's up putting happen this year?
Okay, this year, I don't do one comedy goes to church. I still get like 4 church tours. 4 churches.
4 churches to see it.
Yes, to go later in the year. But basically, we don't today inside the kitchen for too long. We don't to cook, we don't done. And so one come outside because it's funny. Say you go some events meetings. Yes. They'll say we've not seen you before.
They happen.
We would almost be ancestors for the ministry.
It happen. That one I studied. They say, do you do comedy? Then they say yes.
You know, so as we dey now, we dey go TV, we dey go radio, we dey go everywhere, we dey go blog. If we no see Linda, find Nkechi.
One, you go start see one.
Yes, because make you not go be say person can go there turn grandfather. They call they say when you young.
When did you start?
When were you young?
Me, I be ancestor. That year, let me drop that joke. You remember that joke? Akapi. So that means some other ones they still they come out for
some other comedy goes church store they come. Now by next year I won't leave church small. Not be
Congo outside go
general.
into the world.
Libra.
My level.
I go not wall.
The world. And you know this
Libra.
Oh braka yanda le bush. Hey,
that's my tongue.
Now your tongue?
Yeah, this very one we speak.
This particular one speak just now.
No, my tongue. Speak your own.
My label. Now my own be that.
Yes, where you want to go that side, my label.
My label.
But once you come like this,
my uncle.
Once you come like this,
now you're like I am brother. Akapi, thank you very much. Yes, even though not to get too much time like that, but we say we must take your interview before you come up for this place. And I appreciate you going. We know say yes. Before the end of the year, many big things.
Yes,
many big. Akapi, thank you very much, my brother. All right, so by the time we come back, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the final one. This is our other guy, our G, a comedian too. We go enter here now, go drop some kind of jokes for all of you now. Then we'll come out for the whole show. All right, so easy beats. Carry on for this break. By the time we come back, we'll hear. All right, now welcome back. Now still the late night show. Okay, we did the final segment. Now we will do show yourself things. And you know, say at the segment where they give people opportunity to make sure say they can show themselves onto different talents and gifts we then get. All right, so with me inside the studio right now for this particular segment, we get Dr. Worry Connect, to another comedian. We're not just today okay like that. Yeah. So we go leave Dr. Corey one M. Dr. Worry Connect to do every right now for all of now for house for there. Then we go see how every. Okay, so Dr. Worry Connect. Because now nice make the add the doctor to that title.
That title.
So fire down.
Oh, now well done. No, yes. So my name na Dr. Worry Connect. The bogene ruko kwa back, but now they are wakata one of Roboland who say your papa no go ripe, you no go germinate. And if the devil plan for you not to die for Achi, forget God's plan for you not to work for Achi, put duty for the devil, nothing for the devil. And this is some of them go the one that say which kind long name now be this. Yes, so you know say nowadays they don't bring Coca-Cola now. Everybody now they want make their name dey inside the Coca-Cola can. You get one song where they don't bring now. Say, hey, Coca-Cola, sit here, Amina, go there. I don't hear the teeth. I say me. They must put my name for that this thing. Now I go Coca-Cola company. I say, my brother, I want me to put my name. He said, what is your name? I said, my name is Ihugwabe Promise Organenyero. He said, spell him. I say, IHWGHWAVWEPROMISENYEROHOVW. Then the guy looked me. He said, our website. Love is one thing. I saw my name not enter Coca-Cola bottle. And I tell people, you know, say politics now want to say they happen now for inside this our country. For my family, things they happen to. You get one guy, you know, say everything what you they do for life, you need to just hold yourself, be yourself. No, they show yourself. You know, say get one of my guy where he just come in and say, do you know what? I'm from a polygamous home. I don't like it. You know, my father, he was supposed to send me 20,000 naira. He just sent me just 10,000 naira. I say, quiet your mouth. You don't say one thing. You don't hustle. I said, my own case was Pastor. He said, what was than polygamous? I said, I'm from a political polygamous home. I said, my father. Now, well done. I said, my father, we get PDP, we get APC, and we get Labour Party. PDP, Papa deceived Pikin. Only my father did that party. My father can deceive you. Then we get APC, Aproko People's Congress. Now the wives, different wives. Now they did that party. Then we get the Labour Party. Now they do the work. I say, my father don't call me when I did Uniport 200 level medical school. He said, Nyero. I said, he said, go to your bank. I just paid him 50,000 naira. Go and withdraw it. I paid it 2 hours ago. That's how we close, rush, enter bank, they shut. I said, where is manager? My father just paid him 50,000. They say, they shake up, pam, pam, pam. 0 naira, 0 kobo. They say there's no money. I say, for what? How can you say my father is lying? They say, call your father. I said, I should call my father. They say, call him. Maybe pam, pam. I say, hello, Pale. He said, what happened? I said, I just enter the bank. They know, they say you don't pay the money. He said, Nero, now what for you? So you really go to the bank? I said, I did that now. He said, you know, no, say today now April Fool. Don't be smart in that, though. Now because they advise myself. They say you're really a fool. So, and I dey tell people, you know, say when you did class, in those days when we did primary school, I dey tell people, say, now the ones when they notebook, now they dey front. Why we, when we don't know anything, now we dey back? When teacher say 2 times 2, now we don't, I said I can't do a short place. So the teacher can say, who can do this? Now the brilliant ones, now they raise their hand, I ma. They go leave them, now we, when we not raise up our hand, they call. What the teacher said, now me raise up my hand. Call person when raise up your hand. Now we plan. We say, if teacher do this thing on that time, all of us go raise up our hand. Teacher just can say, who can everybody raise up their hand? Now I say, all of them don't know book. He come out. The next as he can say, who can? Only you Bakporo raise up your hand. Spare plantain. Bakporo can look everywhere. Nobody raise up your hand. Can't reduce the volume of your hand. Teacher say, you can do more than that. Come. So it's only Bakporo that can spell plantain. I gave her. Came. Say me flog everybody 5-5. He never spell them. See where they flog. He flog which you are there. I say, you no go fit spell. I say, I no turn. He gave me 5. Now when he finish, come back. He come one move. Teacher say, are you normal? Have you spelled it? He say, sorry, man. He say, okay, spell plantain. Now he look teacher. He says, is it ripe one? Or ripe one? Teacher say, if I slap this here to affect the come on, spell plantain. He said, because if it's ripe, if you fry it, it's dodo, D-O-D-O. And if you roll his ball, B-O-L-E, then teacher tell me full class. Flog, as we they talk, they do mechanic for an error. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Warri Connect. Don't go there. And now wait on it.
Dr. Warri Connect. Hey! We don't say now feel all the gist where he just dropped, just start. We there for back, they die. On top the whole level. Now, Warri Connect, if they want to follow you on top Twitter, how do they follow you?
If you want to follow me for Twitter, just go at the BCC Show. Then if you want to follow me for Instagram, you go Dr. Warri. Bros, I go add my number. That thing will help.
Your number? No worry. This one you don't drop like this. You go use. I don't worry.
Number for help.
That number. No worry. Let me go to number.
Okay, make them Dr. Warri.
All right, so once again, thank you to everybody who don't join us on top of the show like this. And say thank you to everybody. ONG, thank you very much. Acapella, thank you very much. And of course, Dr. Warri Connect. We not say yes, the future for your side there, not be smart to know. All right, so thank you everybody. Easy based on the wheels of steel. All right, so till tomorrow, we'll say God bless all of you. Now make sure say you show love to somebody for outside there. And of course, election don't they come up, make sure say we pledge peace. Peace go there on Saturday, nothing they happen. We love all of you now. Good night from all of us for inside here.
Ona well done.
Okay, so play the music for us. We are going to dance right now. Acapella, come on.